I think the difference with this event is very focused in its point and its execution. So you're really here specifically talking about innovative products in the marketplace that focus in the technology sector. So it really helps you like narrow down your focus and what you're looking for and what the future kind of holds for our industry and our company.
Really great. I met a lot of other company owners. A lot of them are from the Midwest. I was really surprised to see that. Seems to be a good mix of people here. Really impressed with the turnout, and I think it's been really fun.
And you're looking at all the new things that are coming out, how far, from year to year, how far things have come from the year before. And it's just amazing to see how much things are going, especially the battery, robotics, everything. And the amount of improvement from year to year is pretty spectacular. And then, the vendors are very inviting, and it's not pushy, which is what I like to have as well. And it's just a really good group of people, again, with the people that attend and the vendors.
It does focus more on like running a business, it's not super high level of like, here's what's happening in the industry. So far, it's been like, this is like on the ground what you need to do in order to be successful. Here are the actual spreadsheets that you need to use. So it's very detailed and like in the weeds, which I really appreciate.
So what brought me to the conference today was a ton of networking that usually goes on at these events, a chance to build relationship and to find out about the innovative products that tech is evolving in the new era of landscaping.